What's going on? Thank you for watching my video. It's the Law Bear here to give you some family law legal advice. And this time, the questions I get is who pays child support in custody matters, right? And so that's a really complicated question. It's really going to be dependent on mostly two factors, little third on the side. One, how much do the parties make? And what is the split of overnights? What's the time sharing look like, right? So most likely, the parent who makes more money and has less overnights is going to have to pay, right? Mostly. But it can get complicated with numbers depending on who has what. Now, what happens when it's a 50-50 time sharing and there's a big disparity in income? Well, the person making more actually pays the other side. You go, wait a second, I have it 50% of the time. This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it doesn't seem to really make any sense, but the statute is what the statute is. Maybe it'll get rewritten in the future, but for right now, that's the way it is. Now, the parties can agree at mediation, even in a hearing, that because I have the child half the time, you have the child half the time, we shouldn't need child support. And a lot of judges are accepting that based on 50-50. The courts are looking more towards 50-50 being a thing. For parents, it's harder to work out sometimes, but sometimes can be done where you can have no child support if the 50-50, and the judges are very accepting of that. So who pays? Hit up the Law Bear. Let's look at your finances, look at their finances, look at the overnights, look at all the factors. I'll run some calculations. There's one on my website, and we can figure out if you're going to owe, not owe, and how to attack this problem you're having.